Welcome back to our channel Info Roshan, and I hope you are doing well. Friend, in today's video, we are going to check the internship opportunities available in Goldman Sachs company. And friend, we are going to check all the details of what is the eligibility criteria and how you need to apply and what types of things you will learn. So please watch the video complete, friend. And friend, let's check first about the Goldman Sachs company. And friend, you can see here, this is the an American multinational investment bank and financial services company. And friend, it was founded in 1869, and you can see here they are having a headquartered in New York City with regional headquarters in many international financial centers. So, friend, it is a very big organization, and it is a very good opportunity for all the professionals to get the internship in this organization. So let's check the. So friend, you can see here we are at the official page of the Goldman Sachs organization, and you can see here they are having their 2025 engineering campus hiring program. And you can see here this program offers unparalleled opportunity to work on cutting edge technology projects, and you will collaborate with the top tier professionals and shape the future of finance. And friend, if you are passionate about innovation and ready to make an impact, then you can apply and start your journey with this organization. So one of the very important things you can see, the registration has been already started, and you can see last date to apply is the September 8th. So please make a note of that. And friend, please subscribe Info Roshan so that you will get the notification earlier and you can apply before the end date of. So you can see here the eligibility criteria is given. That is a pre-final year students. There is a students who are graduating in 2026 can apply for this, and you can see date of joining will be May or June 2025, and you can see the location is a Bengaluru, Hyderabad, India. And the overview you can see here, the engineering campus hiring program is the premier opportunity to diverse the talent from all engineering school across India to kickstart their career in the financial industry. And you can see this program is focused on curated coursework, mentorship, and the professional development opportunities. And friend, you can see the applicants would go through the multiple rounds of assessment that would test their analytical and technical aptitudes. And candidates who successfully qualify will be offered a summer internship role within the engineering function and Goldman Sachs India. And you can see here the process is given, that is the registration in August and September you can see, and then once you shortlisted, then there will be the aptitude test in September, and eligible students will receive an invite to take the aptitude test on their mail. And there will be the coursework in between the October and November, that is a 3 week of coursework you can see. And you can see after that there will be a technical test in the November. Only candidates who successfully complete the coursework will be go for the technical test, and after that there will be the interviews, and once you shortlisted in the interview and successfully passed it, then there will be offer rollout in December, and communication will be shared with all offered candidates. So friend, you can see here about the engineering and Goldman Sachs. You can read the paragraph here. I will provide the link in the description box. So friend, you can see here the application process is also given. So how you will apply, we will discuss later. And friend, you can see here, if you are not subscribed Info Roshan yet, please subscribe. We are making the free certification courses, jobs and internship opportunity, and technology related videos. So please subscribe Info Roshan. And friend, you can see here there will be various types of benefits while you will do the internship with the Goldman Sachs. You can get you will get the healthcare and medical services, holiday and vacation policies, and financial wellness and retirements. And there will be also chance to convert your full-time job from the internships. And they are providing the various types of benefits also. So let's check how you will apply. So friend, for applying this job opportunity, means internship opportunity, you have to open the link which I have given in the video description box. Then you can click on this register, and once you click, then you will be redirected to this page. So you can see here some of the things are given, you can check it. And you can see the location Bengaluru is given. And after that, friend, you have to click on this apply now. And once you click, then this type of page will appear here. So on the top you can see 2025 India, Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Engineering Campus Hiring Program Summer Analyst. So you have to write your email address here, friends. Then you have to click on this next, and once you click, then you will be redirected to this page. And you can see here, here you have to write. So friend, once you click on this, means you provide the email address, you will be redirected to the next page, and from where you can complete the application process by uploading the resume and providing your personal details. And after providing these details, friend, you have to review your application, and then you have to submit it. And once you submit it and you are shortlisted, then you will be get the notification on your email ID. And friend, if you have any query regarding this video, please comment on the video. We are going to check it and resolve your queries. And friend, please subscribe.